Hello my friend, this is 300 liter liquid homogenizing mixer. Now I'm gonna test it for you. Okay, before test it, let's check the design. This is the main tank and platform, the control panel. So this design can help you control this function more easily. Okay, and up is mixing model and homogenizing model with ABB brand. And there have some pipes for steam, so you can check. We had attached some labels on it to show the function. This is the cooling water in and condensate water out, and here is for the steam in. So this place you need to connect with your steam generator to provide the gas into the jacket. And here is cooling water out. So here and here need to connect the pipe to, like for example, let the cooling water out, and here connects with the cooling water to let the water into the jacket to cooling down. And here this one to drink water out. Okay, so this is the model, and here is discharge valve. So here you can connect with a flexible pipe to discharge your final product. And this is the temperature probe to test the temperature into the tank. This is the control panel. So this is the emergency stop. You can use this button if there has some problems happens, and this tool to show the current of this tank, and there have an inverter to change the mixing speed, and there have some buttons for mixing function, turn on and turn off. And here this buttons is for homogenizing, turn on and turn off. And here this buttons is for spare part. And here this place you can show the actual temperature by this red number, so you can check the actual temperature from here. And this is the time setting for homogenizing function, so you can set the homogenizing time from here, like as being seconds, minute, hour, minute and seconds. Okay, 50 seconds. We will test it later. And then let's check. Before test it, you need to connect with the factory power. So this is the electricity component. You can check. You need to connect here this L1, 2, 3 with your factory power, and this blue one is neutral wire, and here this one is for ground wire. Okay, and other cables you can connect with the same number, so you can check 10 connects with 10, 11 connects 11, 12 connects 12. Other is the same. Okay, just connects with the same number. And this gauge, it can show the pressure into the tank. When the pressure into the jacket is arrived the limit, this safety valve will turn on automatically to release the jacket into the to release the pressure into the jacket to protect it. Okay, so this is the mixing paddle with Teflon scraper and the homogenizing hand. Okay, so let's check the function for mixing. Now you can turn on this button and use this switch. this switch firstly, then point this red button to turn off. Okay, and the homogenizing function. Now you can check, we set the homogenizing time into 50 seconds. So you can set this time based on your product's need. And then turn on this. So when the time arrival what you set here, this homogenizing function will start automatically, like that. Okay. And for the heating, so here this pipe connects with your steam generator, and then they have two valves you need to turn on, like that's one and that's one, and then turn on your steam generator and this steam in valve here to let the steam into the jacket for heating. And then you can check the actual temperature from here. Okay, then after 3 or 4 minutes you need to turn off this valve. Okay, then the temperature of arrival what you need here, you need to turn off this valve firstly, then turn off this valve to keep the temperature in the tank. And if you want to cooling down, you need to turn on this cooling water out valve, then turn on this cooling water in valve. Okay, and the temperature cooling down what you need to turn off this in valve firstly, then cooling water out valve later. Okay.